All right, we are live, baby.
Okay. Hi, everybody. We just want to say thank you for viewing this story. We're going to talk a little bit about what's going on right now, talk a little bit about what's going on with the casting call, and some things you might need to know to help you along.
Yes, we have a lot of things to share. We are going to update on about, as my wife said, about everything. So let's get into it. First of all, we want to talk about FIMI Energy. Let's give them an idea what is FIMI Energy, what it is about for all the new persons and everything.
FIMI Energy is about everybody's aura, exactly what energy is. And of course, FIMI in Patois means my. So it's my energy. So it would be your energy. There's a lot going on with FIMI Energy. We love the patterns that I'm drawing and stuff and putting them on fabric. And just so you know, a lot of people may get things and then slap a name on them. Not us. Here's proof that we make everything from scratch. I'll send my designs in and they'll come over.
Here.
I'll pick the type of fabric. Can you guys see that?
You can see it. Something like that. But
yeah.
The name, custom, whatever. Yeah.
Okay, and then I'll design the fabric. They send it to us, and then we'll sew it out of whatever we want to sew it out. So as you see.
Talk about the drawing of the fabric.
No, not this video. Catch us next video. But we just got an order in today, and we have blues, we have greens. And of course we have the yellow. The yellow, let me tell you about the yellow. The yellow, I'm thinking people, bathing suits, So we're gonna have a yellow in bathing suits. All in my face.
Sorry,
and then we're gonna have yellow in for the men, but I think yellow complements ethnic color really, really well. So we can't wait to get that started. Blue would be for like you guys, what do you call it, marina?
Yeah, marina. Tank top
and stuff. So I love blue, I love green, and also you gotta get yellow in salmon too if you haven't seen it already on the FIMI Energy page. There's a lot going on. There's a lot of product that needs to be sewn.
True. We have so much stuff and we can't wait to put it out there. But as we say, guys, we can get models here, but we want Jamaicans to represent our clothing brand, represent us and everything that we're doing, because it's for the people. Of course, we're gonna have like mixed race on it too, but we want Jamaicans to be involved because that's where the whole inspiration and vibe is from. So we just want everybody to be a part of it, Jamaicans to be a part of it as well.
Let's jump into what we asked for. Was it a couple days ago?
Yeah.
So we had a casting call, and we are not the ones that's gonna select the face. We will be on the vote, but we're not the ones that's selecting. So if they ask for particular things, please, just do it. If you can't do it, wait till you can do it if you want to participate. But if you send something other than that, they're just going to say thank you for the photos, and they're going to go on to the next person. If it was up to me, I would choose everybody. But we don't need that many people. So,
right.
If you are interested, please, I'll tell you how easy it is.
Very easy.
I took, 3 photos yesterday. I put on a shirt, I put on some jeans.
I can pull that out.
Can you?
Yeah.
Okay. So I put on shirt, jeans, and just took something really quick.
An example.
And Tami edited, put it on, that way, so you can see what we're looking for. Because some people are sending videos, some people are inboxing Tami. It's just, you have to think about it too. It's a business.
It's a business.
Professionally, you have to follow what they ask for. We don't have no waiver on it. If they tell us, this person's great for it, but they didn't send what you asked for, they're going to move on.
Right.
So you have to make sure that you're doing what they ask, just like any other job. You can't do it your way. You have to do what they ask. So they need a headshot, a full body front and back.
Right.
And, you know, we do sell bikinis. So, you know, for the girls and the guys that we pick, we're going to need to see your body to make sure that you're the what we're looking for. Definitely. And that on that, you know, the people that's doing that, they will check your page. So please don't send something that's old.
Like 2015, 2016.
Don't send anything that's old. That would help for you guys, because to me, either way, we're gonna come up with the people that we need that are Jamaicans or live in Jamaica, and they're gonna select them, and then we're gonna move forward.
We're gonna video call them. So basically, the photos that you send are the pictures that we want to see. You know, you don't send us something like you look in one way and then when we video call you, or if you get chosen, you look another way. So immediately you are like disqualified because what we see is not what we're getting. You know, as I said, we ask for all sizes. So it's not like we're only looking for slim persons, petite persons, or whatever. We need all sizes. Even as we said, the plus size girls, the plus size men, and just everybody. So just show us who you are, and if, as my wife said, make sure your photos is as clear as that front shot and all of the other shots. And it is very easy. Don't be sending other photos that we did not ask for, because they're just going to say, okay, thank you for your photos. Whether they accept you or not, they're just going to tell you that. So they're not going to say, oh, you know, this one can't work, or send another picture. It's a business. People don't have time to do all of that. Any other casting call, it's either you're in or you're not. They're not going to go back and forth. So that's just what it is.
I agree. I agree. So it's really simple. Just follow the example that's on there. That's the front and back. If we ask for a white shirt and some jeans, that pretty much tells us how our clothes are going to fit on you. And, you know, the bikini wear or the trunk wear, we need to see the body just to see if you're a good candidate for it. Because it's, you know, it's about a bunch of energy. And again, recapping about what you're sending in, make sure that's you currently. Like those photos I took, that was 2 days ago. So you have to make sure it's current, because January is going to roll up really quick.
Really quick.
Really quick. And, you know, what we see is what we need. And if you fail out of that range so quickly, it's just unfortunate that, you know, it's a brand. It's a brand, and we want to give anybody the opportunity to be one of the models for that. I would just hope that you just send in what you need to send in. Right.
And as we said, guys, we are the ones who make the clothes. So remember, we are also going to need your measurements. So if you send in a photo looking like my size, and then when it's time for the measurement, you give me a total different size, that alone not gonna work. So I have to go get your size and everything so we can make the photos. Remember, when we're coming there, we're not bringing any machines. Everything is already made from here and just bringing to Jamaica for the photo shoot at that time. So we have to get everything on point. So we do it from now.
Yeah, I agree. But we're excited.
Super excited.
As you guys see, this is my favorite right here. You guys like green? We have plenty of other designs, but you know, 'tis the season for the holidays, so all our fabric that's coming toward us is a delay in the shipping and the product. Plus COVID, you know, not as many people that does the fabric stores that do the creative custom design for us have a whole big staff, because everybody had to do the cutbacks. But we're still moving forward.
Right.
And we just want to make sure that we get the best quality for everything that we create. It's a little bit different, and I'm excited about it.
I'm really excited about it. And with these fabric as well, these are not just the only fabric we will be making things from. We have a lot of different other variety as well. You know, a lot more to come. But as they say, when the photo shoot is done, you guys will see everything. This is just a little preview of some of a tip of the iceberg of what we have in store.
Yeah, I'm definitely excited. So, I hope you guys understand what we needed. Excited about what's gonna come. I can't wait to see what they give as far as the selection that we asked for, and then we'll move forward from there. But we will keep you posted as we get things in. We're just excited about everything. So Hopefully you guys have a great afternoon.
Oh, we have to talk about the Black Friday giveaway.
Oh,
Which
yeah,
is now, let me
Black
pull
Friday
that
giveaway.
one up as well. Yes.
Oh my god.
You never remember, baby?
I never remember. You know what, guys, about giving away stuff?
Yeah.
People do gimmicks all the time.
Mm-hmm.
And if you ever follow Tami page, we don't have any gimmicks.
True.
We just love giving back. We give back. We like to do games, give back.
To
you know,
the
stuff like that.
Jamaicans, yeah.
Just to the Jamaicans, because that's where our heart is. So that's why we're doing so many things that we're doing.
Mm-hmm.
And this Black Friday giveaway is exactly what we've been doing before. This is not our first, second, or third. This
time.
is a lot that we give back. So I'll let you tell them about what's going on.
Alright, so it's all about Black Friday giveaway. And guys, when I draw this competition or anything, it'll end like tomorrow. So one day, like, oh my god, you have to check next year or editing. Alright, what we want is the FIMI Energy page. Go and follow the FIMI Energy page. You're going to tag 10 or more persons, any amount you can tag. And with all the persons you tag, any one that follow the page, that's how we calculate the winner, who will win.
Yeah.
The person who get the most followers to the page. And then we will just DM them and send them the credit, which the value is $2,900 credit. So yeah, good luck. So all you need to do is clear as day, just that. This is a brand new business, so we're just trying to like get the word out there. And as you know, investment and self promotion, you have to do that yourself until you don't have to anymore.
Self promotion is awesome.
Self promotion.
It's personal to me.
Yeah, it's always the best.
Can I give them a tip?
Mm-hmm.
Can I give them a big tip?
All right.
Okay. All right. So normal business owners won't give you the tip for the giveaway. They won't help you with the tip of the giveaway. It is so simple. We had that Go Find It game where that group of girls. Hi girls. I don't remember your name. Then they played together. And together they won big.
True.
So if you guys...
But they didn't win.
Huh? They did win. Did they win?
No.
Okay, the concept of what they did, they did it as a group. So why don't you call your friends? Hey, we can share it. Can't you share it?
Yeah, you can share it. Top up.
$2,900 worth of
credit.
Top up?
Yeah.
Come on, guys. Yeah, let's get it in. Let's get it up. We give you this. We give you that. We don't care. We just want to give the money away. We just want to top you up.
True. True. That's a great way, and it's just all about having fun. We know right now, a COVID time, everybody can help out or benefit from it in a one way. As I say, we love supporting people, and especially the people who support us genuinely. Because as I said, these are probably the first giveaway we have where we tell people like to follow the page. We always just give away things for no reason at all, if that makes sense. For no reason at all. So yeah,
this is a great way to introduce ourselves to people. And you may say, well, you guys make product, but how are we going to get it to Jamaica? There's so many ways. Again, we're going to be coming down there really soon when we do the modeling cast. And then on top of that, of course, we're going to bring extra stuff, and we will have a distributor there where you can just order and they'll get it to you. We're doing a lot of different things. So don't think just because you're there, you can't order it. You can. You can. But as Tami said, just being supportive and stuff like that, because right now, as you see, we're working off of her page. But eventually, if you're not part of FIMI Energy, followers, you're gonna miss out on the stuff that we give away, because as we grow, the giveaways are just gonna get even
bigger and better. Yeah,
definitely.
As we'll be giving away before, so you can imagine after.
Yeah, and we definitely want to give back. So follow the page. Tell everybody to follow the page. Be the winner. It's Black Friday. It could be a Black Friday bonus where I'd be like, these people got, boom, 2 winners.
2 winners.
You never know. So
you never know.
That's it for me.
All right, guys. We just want to say once again, thank you so much for the support, and just stick and stay. As I said, just follow the page. You can also follow my page, and we keep you up to date on everything what's going on. And yeah, that is it.
Yes.
All right. Bye.
Bye.